Hey there, welcome back. Okay, so here's my Ultramarine. So far I have painted him using the Citadel Foundation paint, Mordrian Blue. I paint the entire model. I painted the helmet with Mechrite Red because he is a veteran sergeant. And they have a red helmet. So check your codex and make sure you're painting the helmets the right color. Because they could be white, red, or other colors, gold. So this step, what I want you to do is highlighting. You're going to take a little dab of Ultramarine Blue and go around the edges of every bit of armor. Knocking stuff down. Where'd it go? I'll find it after. Paint every edge of the armor. Keep the line that you're painting really thin. Just get the edge. Also, what you need to do is paint the helmet. After you've painted it Mechrite Red, paint it blood red. Anywhere that you put Mechrite, put blood. The little ventilator hose, I'm going to paint black. So you can leave that alone for now. This particular model is pretty easy to paint because all of his features are huge, and he doesn't have a whole lot of tight little details like some of the newer models have. He's an old classic model. I'm gonna kind of introduce two new things in this series. The next step after this is going to be dry brushing. We're going to dry brush Ultramarine Blue over the model. That will help to lighten up his color to a more ultramarine color. And we are also going to do some freehand work. I'm going to freehand some ivy leaves onto his helmet. I do a lot of freehand work on my models. I'm to the point now where I think that rather than using decals, I'm going to freehand everything. Because I like the artistry involved with the freehand work, and it looks nicer. People notice. Okay, there's the helmet. It's red. And also I'm going to paint the weapons now. A little black. Here's what I use again. I use game color when I get for my black. It's just faster. I dab a little bit into a cup. Less waste. It's easier. I'm going to switch out my detail brush and get a bigger brush. I try not to ever use my detail to fill lots of space. I want to keep it as pointy as possible. I need to buy a few more broad brushes. Yeah, I'm running out of brushes. There's not going to be very many videos in this set. The Blood Angel video had about 25 or so, and that was a lot, but there was a lot of information I was sharing, stuff that I'm going to assume you know. So if you think I might be skipping stuff, if things aren't entirely clear, go back and watch all of my Blood Angel videos so that you're catching up on back information, just like studying at school. Kind of like my teacher. I'm an art teacher, and when I teach, I build on what the kids learned before. So I expect you to know all of the skills that I taught you already. Ugh. So go learn. All right. How much time is left? We are at 6:47. That's it. So wash that brush out. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is finish the highlighting of the Ultramarine blue, straight fresh from the pot, on all of the edges. I'm going to paint the weapon and the axe black, and I also think that, and then I'm gonna do the and that's it. So where you should be now is you should also have your helmet painted with mechrite and then blood red, all the Mordorian blue done, all of the edges highlighted, and get your weapons painted. And that's where I am. Okay, enjoy.